seaweed?
Baby?
Yeah, you ate it last night.
Potatoes?
Yeah. You gonna eat rice for breakfast?
Breakfast?
And seaweed.
What's seaweed?
That's rice and seaweed.
Seaweed.
Yeah.
Oh. I'm good.
You're good. Alright, baby. I'm gonna kick Mama go get her clothes on. Mama needs to go change out of her jammies. Love you, buddy. You're cute. Hello and welcome to today's video. We
Cheese.
just got ready for the day. Yes, I fed him leftovers for dinner. He had seaweed mostly and a little bit of rice. He didn't eat all that rice, but
Baby.
night TV. See, we're gonna go outside.
Outside.
We're gonna go outside. My mother-in-law's here. She leaves today, but she decided she wanted to help build some more of the deck. So we're gonna go outside and see if they need help. Just be around. Let Houston be outside because he loves it outside. But yeah, so today we're taking her to the airport, and I think we're taking my stepdaughter home. I think, or to her mom's house. But anyway, we're gonna go out see if they need help with the deck. Okay, let's go.
You go.
Yay! What are you doing? Go jump. Go jump. Tractor.
Cheese.
Keys. What you have to say?
I'm outside.
What are you eating, Bubs? Blackberries. Reggie's eating them too. You eating your mini tacos and pot stickers and some rice. Is it good?
I'm good.
It's good. Good.
It's back here in a couple minutes after we discuss.
Sounds good.
I'll tell you what the court said.
Taco truck behind us.
There's what?
A taco truck.
Love tacos.
I wonder why they put a 90 there. That's weird.
I don't suppose.
Pizza! Pizza! Love you. Love you, buddy. Alright, we just got home from Walmart. On our way home, we picked up this power washer. Someone had it in their garage, never used it. Paid like $280 for it. I think it runs like $400, so pretty good deal. And then I can power wash the house with a real power washer. It'll be nice. But Gonna finish taking in groceries and eat dinner. He's finishing getting some bolts in. He had like 6x6s and they use really big bolts, but he didn't have a bit big enough to get them all the way in, so he got that. But I'm gonna finish taking in the food, and then we're smoking pizza on the Traeger, so that should be a delicious dinner. And yeah, I don't really know what else we're doing, but we'll figure it out.
You never had that happen to you?
Say, that's all for today. Say, it was fun. We hung out with Grandma Jean. Stop it. Thank you, baby. Say. Stop it. Say we gotta go to the river tomorrow. Stop it. Weirdo, stop it. Hey. I love you too. Say we're going to the river tomorrow. Are you barking at me? I love you. Say come back tomorrow. It'll be fun. Say thank you for watching. Thank you, everybody. See you in the next one.
Bye-bye.
Good job.